This video will show you the basic types of instructions that you can add to your dialogue text using the dialogue system's procedural dialogue add-on. We'll start with a basic dialogue manager game object. Since we're in the add-ons demo scene, to get that basic dialogue manager, I'll go ahead and temporarily delete this component. To get started, add the procedural dialogue add-on component to your dialogue manager. You can assign a default dialect table and grammar set to it, which are topics we'll cover in a future video. By default, you can insert instructions in your dialogue text by enclosing them in angle brackets. However, if you already use angle brackets for something else, you can tick the Require All Syntax in Braces checkbox. When this checkbox is ticked, your instructions must be in double curly braces. We'll leave it unticked since it makes for less typing. On your characters, add a regular dialogue actor component and a procedural dialogue actor component. We'll save discussion of the dialect table, grammar sets, and mood for future videos. Now let's write some dialogue. Open the database and create a new conversation. Here's some dialogue text. I'll break down each instruction. The first one is pizza/eclair. This instruction is in angle brackets. If you had ticked Require All Syntax in Braces, you'd need to put the instruction in double curly braces instead. When choices are separated by a /, the add-on will randomly show one of those choices. In this case, the text will show either pizza or eclair. The next two instructions show some variations on the basic instruction format. This list of choices has the modifier -ing at the end. The add-on will choose one of these verbs and then set it to the -ing verb tense, such as cutting or slicing. Refer to the manual section titled English Text Parser for a list of all of the verb tense modifiers you can use. The last instruction has a single S at the end. This pluralizes the noun. So let's give this a play. Change the Modern Girls dialogue system trigger to play our new conversation. Then play the scene. Notice here that the first instruction chose the word pizza. The second one chose the word divide and properly changed its verb tense. The third instruction chose utensil and pluralized it. In this iteration, notice that the word knife was properly pluralized to knives. And in this iteration, the word eclair received the proper article an instead of a in front of it. In the next video, we'll cover additional commands to show and set the values of variables and Lua code, as well as adjust text by characters' moods.